So what happened here? This drain was blocked by rust and some stuff coming with the time, and it needs to be maintained uh, time after time. So this is how it should be done. We have this opening here, and it should be snaked. I don't have a specific snake for this thin pipe, but I'm gonna improvise. I have some stuff in spare. Yeah, and just to show how it works. So I already took the pump out. It might be not necessary to took it out. Here's the pump. We just cleaned it also, just in case. It was also with a bunch of rust here. So we just cleaned it, so it's not gonna affect and block it in some sort of time. So here's the thing. So I'm pouring water here, and it doesn't come underneath at all, no even single drip. And all the water, it goes inside through this pipe and accumulates in the pan, which is inside of this AC unit. Yes, and then eventually when the AC works, it just overflows and dripping in the corner. In the video I will add it. So yes, if I'll pour enough water here, it's gonna drip on the side. So what we're gonna do is, as I said, we clean this one for like just in case, and I'm gonna clean this one. And you can just record. Thank you so much. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put everything back. This most removing was not really necessary, but we did it just in case. Let's just put it back. Oh yeah, and this one obviously goes back as well. I might even a little bit cut it to make this fresh, to hold better. Okay. So this I'm gonna put back like this, and this was here snaked inside, so we're gonna do the same. And then we're gonna be ready to go. Excellent. Let's check. Oh, it's off. It's off, yeah. All right. These are consequences of the water leak. So initially, my client thought that this is caused by the water heater, but I told him no, please check. It might be something else, and it was something else. It was this AC. So now, after drain cleaning, the pump works perfectly. Everything works perfectly. Nothing here on the sides. Yeah, it's clear. You see? It's absolutely clear. Thanks me for a great job.